Hey boys and girls, welcome to day 4 of note taking. Hopefully you were able to choose an animal yesterday and start on your first section. Today after my lesson, you're going to do another section in your same book, just like we've been doing with frogs. So I'm going to make another section. I'm going to read some parts of a book. Now I want to read about every size and color. Frogs can be many different sizes. The smallest frog is as big as a fingernail. Whoa, look at that micro frog. The largest is as big as a rabbit. That is called the Goliath frog. Frogs can be different colors too. Some are green or brown, others have stripes or spots. Frogs can be red, yellow, or orange. They can even be bright blue. Now that was a short section. I want to read this next one called Watch Out. And maybe these two sections might be very similar because I'm noticing that we have all these bright colored frogs, red, blue, stripes, and spots. And these ones also do. So I'm going to read it and see if these two sections can go together. Because sometimes we can put two sections together if they have the same kind of main idea, same topic. Watch out. These colorful frogs may look pretty, but watch out. These frogs have poison in their skin. Their bright color warns enemies not to eat them. Poison, something that can kill or hurt living things. This little frog is only an inch long. Think about what we learned in math before with inches, feet, centimeters. Think about an inch. Its name is Terribilis, which means the terrible one. How did it get this name? By being the most deadly frog of all. One Terribilis has enough poison to kill 20,000 mice. Okay, and that was it. So that was also a very short section. Now, I think these two can go together to create a certain title. Now, there's one word I'm thinking of. It's called adaptations. Have you guys heard that word before? Adaptations are body parts or how an animal acts to help that animal survive in the environment it lives in. So it could be a body part, how it looks, what it does, or it could be a behavior, what they do, that's going to help them survive in their habitat or their environment. So I'm going to have my writing paper. I'm going to put my name. Now we're working on frogs, so I'm going to choose frogs. Now, since adaptations can go for both of those sections, because it's telling me about their sizes, oops, keep on clicking those words, and how they're different colors could be to help them camouflage or live where they do and be able to hide. And then this section, watch out, is telling us how they are poisonous and they have the different colors to help enemies stay away from them. That is something that's a physical feature of an adaptation that frogs have to help them live and survive. These bright colors are going to warn the enemies, I don't want to eat you, I think you're poisonous. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to label this section adaptations. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. Remember, I can use my bullet points, however you want to do your notes. And I'm going to write down some things about the size, the color, about those frogs. Okay, so let me just go back over here. Okay, so we can tell that they're different sizes. Frogs swim many different sizes. Oops, sizes. So they can be different colors. Also, we could tell what colors they are. They had blue, they had reds, greens, a whole bunch of colors. I'm going to put and more because there could be yellow, black, whole bunch of colors. They also said they have spots or stripes. I'm going to put some have spots or stripes. Now, I wonder with having spots or stripes and these colors, could also have them camouflage. Have you guys heard that word before? How an animal can hide in the environment it lives in? Now, one other thing I want to write down is about how they can be poisonous. Now, I'm going to put colorful frogs have poison in their skin. And I could even say what poison is a bold word. Their bright color warns enemies. Means not to eat them. And this one was just telling us about the Terribilis. You could add that as an example if you wanted to in your book. So let's see here. I'm going to say an example. Let me go back and look at that. I think this will go. List. Oh, identity. Is the deadliest frog. I'm just making some errors here. Deadliest frog. I'm going to put, I think I like how it is, it's only 1 inch long too. It is only 1 inch long. Okay. So that is all I have for adaptations. So today you're going to continue reading your book on your animal, whatever animal you chose. On day 3, I showed you how to go on Epic and search for animals that you might want to research. Remember, I said you could do snake, sharks, lizards, alligators, crocodiles, pandas, whatever book you find, and you're making another section today. So read that book, and you're going to have one of these forms on the assignment for you to take your notes in and make sure you save and upload so we teachers can check out what you are learning and what you're taking notes on. Tomorrow, for day 5, we're going to do one more section on frogs, and then you're going to make another section with your book. So make sure you're taking those notes and have fun reading and learning about your animal. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.